Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin and James.
Yep.
We're going to do a Sweet Sunday unboxing. So hopefully you guys really enjoy this video. You guys have been really loving all the things that we put on hookedonpickin.com. You'll be able to find all of these items in the snacks and candy category on hookedonpickin.com. So let's find out, what kind of new stuff do we have? Now James, you've worked at Hooked on Pickin a while.
Yep.
I feel like you should do the unboxing.
It would be so bad. He just cuts a hole in the side and starts
just
rooting around in it. Oh, okay.
Paper.
Oh, man.
Oh, here you go, James.
Who needs a scorpion in their life?
We got scorpion
If
suckers.
you need one to eat, here you go.
You
Those
want to
look
open the
cool.
box and see what they look like?
Of course we need to open the box.
All right, you can look at more stuff. I'll open this and we can...
Ooh. Ants.
I've done the whole bug collection, James. We have worm, we have ants, we have scorpions, and we have, what's the other one we have?
Like crickets.
Cricket/locust. Ooh, look at that.
I feel like if you're going to get anyone, you get the scorpion. Like,
That-
you might as well just go for it.
I think it is kind of cool looking.
It's terrifying, James. Terrifying.
It's just kind of a, weird thing you can get.
Yeah. I mean, they are kind of cool, though.
Yep.
So we have, so we've been selling these suckers in a 4-pack. So when you buy a scorpion sucker, you're going to get all 4 of the colors. So it looks like you've got banana. This is blueberry. This is strawberry and apple. So those are your
Same
flavors.
flavors, I think, over there for the
yes.
ants.
Shall we see what the ants look like too?
You gotcha.
All right.
Good old ants. Of course, how many ants have we eaten outside before? At camp? Guarantee I've eaten an ant before.
Oh, that looks terrifying. Here, let's look at the yellow one.
It's just a little extra protein.
A little extra protein.
You bet it is.
Protein suckers. Scorpions and ants.
Let's see. What else we got here? We have the Golden Girls mints.
What? Golden Girls.
Do you know who the Golden Girls are,
Thank
James?
you for being a friend. We don't have the rights to that
I
song.
don't know the right to that song. I want to see what this looks like. The Golden
Girl
Girls.
mints. We also have Bob Ross mints.
Cheesecake shaped mints.
Cheesecake shape. Because they did eat a lot of cheesecake, I think, in the show.
Did they? I don't remember.
I can't remember either. I watch that show all the time. So, a buddy of yours from high school, that's his favorite show, isn't it? What? Likes Golden Girls.
Golden Girls?
Isn't one of your friends like Golden Girls?
Oh, these look amazing.
These are cool. Look, there's Sophia's. Sophia's Judgments. Then we've got Blanche's Southern Charm mints. Then we got Back in St. Olaf mints. Then we got Dorothy's Enlighten mints.
That is great.
I
That
love
is
Sophia's
great.
Judgment. Because she was Dorothy's mom and she was always so judgy on the show.
That's great.
Yeah. Super fun.
What else we got, buddy?
We got jelly beans.
Ooh, Jelly Bellies.
Soda Pop Shop.
Nice.
So this has Crush A&W, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, and so Orange Crush and Grape Crush.
There we go. We already have a listing for Jelly Bellies. I think I can just replenish the listing.
Yeah, it just
That's great. Ooh, another Jelly Belly.
it separates in the middle.
Another Jelly Belly.
These open like super weird. Or they
I
don't
think
open at
you
all.
see there's a big hole where you can grab and...
Pull it apart.
I think so.
There we go.
There we go.
So these are
What do we got?
birthday cake.
That'd be great. Perfect for your birthday.
I agree.
Wow.
Thanks,
Wow.
guys. Nice.
Happy birthday to you.
We don't have the rights to that song.
Ooh, pancakes?
Pancakes and maple syrup. It's like breakfast in a bean.
That's what you need.
It's a bean breakfast.
It's a bean breakfast.
Who doesn't need pancakes?
We're living in the future.
We
You don't have
are.
to eat pancakes. You just pop a couple beans.
Pop a couple of beans.
Now we got the fruit bowl.
We got a fruit bowl and a bean.
Fruit bowl. Very important to have fruit bowl. Cool.
Quite a few jelly beans over here.
Can't go wrong with Jelly Bellies.
Oh, I wreck it every time. What's this one? Buttered popcorn.
Ooh.
These are really yummy. I like these ones a lot.
Sounds like that'd be great.
And what do we got here? Ooh.
The Bean Boozled.
Bean.
Fiery Five.
Fiery Bean Boozled.
Fiery
Bean
Five
Boozled.
Challenge.
I
I
love
can
it.
do it.
I love it. I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it. I love it. All right. I love it. That's someone else's tagline, isn't it? McDonald's or something? I don't know.
I'm loving it, I think.
Yeah, that's McDonald's. All right.
Oh, that one looks really good.
Super fruit mix. So it looks like cherries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. I don't know. Some kind of berries.
Some kind of fruit.
Some kind of fruit.
I think it's a kumquat.
Pomegranate?
I'm going to go kumquat.
Wait. I see berry,
Pomegranate.
cherry, blueberry. Yeah, it is pomegranate.
Barbados cherry.
Barbados cherry.
That'd be kind of cool.
He's better
Good
at that
job,
than me.
James. What have we got there?
You combine Cold Stone Creamery with Jelly Belly, and it's just a miraculous thing.
There you go.
Lexi would totally eat those.
Oh, absolutely.
She loves Cold
She
Stone.
loves Cold Stone.
Look at all the flavors.
Who's hungry?
Let's see what we got here.
Oh,
Fun works.
man.
This is
That's a pile of sugar. Glorious sugar. What is
paint
it?
the candy, then eat the candy.
Oh, yeah. So you put on, like, this gel stuff in the little, like, divots they have there.
See the
and there you
picture
go.
right there?
Apparently, somebody did this on YouTube. It was in their YouTube section, as seen on YouTube.
Cool.
Yeah, it does. Like, you put the gel to make your smiley face and eat a pile of sugar. Mm.
Ooh, tropical mix.
We got all the mixes.
I like a lot of the more fruity kinds of candies. So these are really good. Let's see.
Yeah, see, James, you're not superly into chocolate, but these things would be perfect for you.
Yeah, great.
You're a big Starburst guy, too, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Skittles, Starburst, Mambas.
Mambas. I love
Is
Mambas.
his go-to. Bean Boozled. Oh, those are the ones that have normal flavored ones and nasty flavored ones, but they look the same, so you never know which one you're going to get.
So, there you got the different kinds right there.
So you've got, like, one is liver and onions, but the exact same color as cappuccino.
Ooh.
One is barf, the exact same color as peach. One is dirty dishwater, the other one is birthday cake.
That's beautiful. Beautiful.
That's what you need.
Yeah, it is what you need.
Little risk when you're trying to eat some jelly beans.
Yep. Very cherry.
Very cherry. Just seems to be cherry.
Screams summer, though, doesn't
I
it?
It
really-
does scream summer.
I really hope they would just put one bean on there and just be cherry.
Cherry. Very cherry.
Very cherry.
Good thing he's here for the jelly bean boxes.
know.
No! I was doing so well. And now we got s'mores.
S'mores. And you can taste the marshmallow, the graham
Oh.
cracker, and the chocolate in those.
Jelly Belly knows what they're doing. They do a
Oh,
good
yeah.
job
They
of
did a
that.
good job on the flavors.
Alright, now we got some new things.
Birdie's Bots Beans.
Oh.
Every flavor beans.
This is Harry Potter
Harry Potter ones.
Yeah, let's see, what do they got on the back of these? They got banana, black pepper, blueberry, booger.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Booger.
Yeah. Candy floss.
Dirt.
Cherry.
Earwax.
Cinnamon.
Dirt.
Cinnamon. Dirt.
Soap.
Green apple.
When the soap. I feel like we need to bring these.
We have vomit. Ooh.
Grass.
Sausage.
Hey, they
Rotten egg.
They even have earthworm. You can have dirt grass and earthworm all in one bite.
There you go. Yum.
Beautiful.
Those are crazy ones. Harry Potter ones.
And now we got Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
I think Hello Kitty's a cat, right?
Yes.
Is that it?
Actually, she looks like a hamburger on here.
This is our last one.
Oh, in the box? I guess that was a box of a bunch of Jelly Bellies then. Good, we needed to replenish. Hello Kitty. She's a hamburger cat.
Hamburger.
Yum Yum Candy, wild berry sour flavor.
Ooh.
Yes.
There we go, Hello Kitty.
I'm a big
Wonderful.
fan of sour flavored things.
Yes.
Yep.
This was your box, James.
Yeah, this was the perfect box for you to open,
everything.
James.
Perfect.
So, since you said you'll eat pretty much everything, would you like to try a scorpion? No, we're not going to make him do that.
try a scorpion.
All right, so thanks so much for joining us. You're going to be able to find all this stuff on the snacks and candy category on hookedonpickin.com. Anything else I'm forgetting, Paul? All right, awesome. So thanks so much for joining us on this sweet Sunday unboxing. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.